divine weapons. Bhima and Draupadi first tried to persuade Yudhishthira to attack the Kauravas and take revenge. Yudhishthira said they should first fulfill the condition of the game and complete their exile. Krishna and Vyasa arrived in Kamyakaranya along with King Drupada. They tried to soothe the Pandavas. Vyasa also warned them that there would be a terrible war after the 13th year of their exile with the Kauravas. He advised Arjuna to worship Lord Shiva to seek divine weapons. Pushing through the Gandhamadana range, Arjuna reached the Indrakula mountains. He met Indra, the king of gods, who asked him to leave his weapons behind. Arjuna could not obey, so the sage revealed himself to be Indra. He asked Arjuna to worship Lord Shiva and then return to him for all further knowledge of divine weapons. Arjuna went to mountain Kailash, where he began meditating on Lord Shiva. Pashupatastra. Shiva recognized Arjuna and knew the purpose for which he was there. But he had to test Arjuna's devotion before granting his wish. Arjuna began penance to worship Shiva, who came into the forest as a hunter along with his wife Parvati. He was pursuing a boar that charged at Arjuna. Simultaneously, the hunter Kirata and Arjuna shot the boar. Unsure about who killed the boar, they decided to settle it with a contest. The contest between them went on for long, but Arjuna could not beat his opponent. When Arjuna found he could not defeat his opponent, he made a Shivalinga, placed a garland on it, and prayed to Shiva. Suddenly he saw the Kirata wearing the garland and realized that he was Shiva himself. He asked forgiveness. Shiva, pleased with Arjuna, gave him the Pashupata weapon. All the gods appeared to bless Arjuna and granted him their own special divine weapons. Urvashi's curse. Indra sent his special chariot to escort Arjuna to Amravati, his abode in heaven. Arjuna was delighted to see the gardens, the Apsaras, and their divine dances. Hear the music of the Gandharvas. He learned the art of music and musical instruments and danced from Chitrasena, a Gandharva. Indra gave him his own divine weapon Vajra. Urvashi, one of the beautiful Apsaras, had fallen in love with Arjuna. But unfortunately, Arjuna did not love her. He gave her the respect that he would give his own mother. He said, rejecting her effort to win his love. This made her so angry that she cursed him, saying that since he could not return her love, he would turn into a eunuch. Immediately regretting her hasty words, she modified the curse, saying that it would be effective for 1 year only, whenever he wished for it. Arjuna bowed to her wish and went back on earth. In the Himalayas, the Pandavas and Draupadi were missing Arjuna. The priest Dhaumya and sage Lomasa, who were with them, suggested that they should journey through the Himalayas while waiting for Arjuna. So the four brothers, Draupadi, Bhima's son, Ghatotkach, Dhaumya, and Lomasa went to various pilgrim centers, ashrams, forests, and kingdoms. Often Draupadi was tired, so they stopped a while and waited till they got back their strength. When they reached Gangadwara, Yudhishthira suggested that his brothers and Draupadi should stay there while he went on. But Bhima did not want Yudhishthira to go alone. He would be miserable without his family, and there would be no one to protect him from savages and demons. Bhima said he would carry Draupadi and even carry Nakula and Sahadeva if required when they were tired. Yudhishthira, loving him for his kind heart, blessed him with greater strength. They went ahead.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.